Hey Java Nuts, it's coffee time. As summer is fast approaching, we all need a coffee drink to enjoy when heat is beating down. In this first video of Coffee in the Sun, we will learn how to make a refreshing and thirst-quenching drink, Tropicalia. All you really need is good smooth dark roast. I will be using Pete's French roast, some ice, some no pulp coconut water, and if you want, a garnish.
You will start by adding about 5 ounces of coconut water to the ice. If all you can find is coconut water with pulp, get yourself a filter or a strainer to remove as much of the pulp as possible.
5 ounces is roughly 150 milliliters, so go ahead and fill it up. You can see right there what the filter left behind. Next we will brew about 2 ounces of coffee. I will be pulling 2 shots, but you can use any method you'd like, such as the AeroPress, a pour over, a mocha pot, heck even drip if it's made right. For a more detailed look on how to pull that perfect shot, look in the description below. I will link a video by yours truly, and I will also link the video at the end of this guide. Now carefully add your coffee to the coconut water and ice. And a summer-friendly garnish if you want. And serve. Now you can enjoy a refreshing drink in the beaming sun. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. This is always coffee o'clock, no matter the season. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below. I read all of my comments and look forward to hearing about your favorite summer coffee drink. I'll see you soon.